Former President Trump, meanwhile, has his own challenges ahead, including possible prison time for hiding hush money payments in New York. But now, sentencing in that case has been delayed, the latest implication of Monday's Supreme Court decision on presidential immunity. Robert Costa has more on this. Bob, good morning to you. So why is the high court's ruling leading to this delay?
Good morning, Tony. In the wake of this decision by the Supreme Court, you have the New York judge in former President Trump's criminal case deciding to take a pause about that sentencing. And it's a really significant political development because sentencing was scheduled to take place on July 11th, just days before the Republican National Convention was set to begin in Milwaukee, still set to begin in the coming weeks. And you now have sentencing set for September. If it ever happens, as the judge wrote, he said he's still going to see how this plays out at the federal level.
You know, Bob, money talks, and there's also news on the money front. So what can you tell us about the latest fundraising numbers?
You now see Trump and his campaign pulling ahead of President Biden when it comes to the numbers. Let's look at the numbers for a moment. You see between April and June of this year, former President Trump raised $331 million. That's a big amount compared to President Biden's $264 million. This really enables Trump, who has lagged behind Biden for a long time, to start to build an arsenal of advertising ahead of the fall campaign. Inside the Trump campaign today, my sources are confident that because of what's happening on the Democratic side with Biden's debate performance, they can continue to roll in the dollars. They're going to try to continue to fundraise more with that upcoming vice presidential pick in the coming days.
All right, Bob, thank you very much.